Okay guys, here is the Lego City Advent Calendar, the 2024. It's 195 pieces. It's for ages 5 and up. Each little punch-out hole is they're going to open it up every day and pull out the surprise. Here is the box. Here's the back side of it. Okay. The bottom flap can sit down so they can put their little pieces on it. And this stands up. I have it laying on the ground so I can show it to you. The days of the month are not in order, so they're going to be opening up in different order. Okay, let's show you what's inside of here. Okay, we have cardboard separated slots, and I'm not going in day order. I'm just going to go in order so I can keep track of which ones I showed you. Okay, here's one. It's like a skateboard and a helmet. These are cute little minifigures. And inside the flap is an image of how to put these together for the day. Each day has a different number of pieces to put together, depending on, this is a person, depending on the figure. It's a little bunny. These are really small little pieces. And the number for this one is 60436. And this is the Lego City Advent Calendar. And these pieces are tiny. And this is the last one. There you have it. That is the Lego City Advent Calendar for 2024 and all the pieces inside.